How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make your skin glow for men. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So how can we make our skin glow? The first tip is apply a toner to your face. A toner is just a liquid applied to the skin to reduce oiliness and improve its condition, you guys. The second tip is going to be exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and gets rid of excessive oiliness, you guys. So it's all kind of interrelated. Apply the toner, exfoliate the skin, you guys. The third tip is stop having hot showers. Hot showers removes the moisture of the skin and the protective oils. Instead of having hot showers, aim for lukewarm showers. This will protect your skin, you guys. And I used to do this for the longest time. I would have like really hot showers because, let's face it, hot showers feel amazing. It feels really good. A long, hard day, you worked, you want to have that nice hot shower, the hot bath. But then you always get out and your skin feels real dry, and maybe a couple days later it starts peeling a little bit, or you just notice dry skin. I was getting this a lot on my face, you guys. A lot of dry skin cells. So what I did is I stopped having the super hot showers. Now they're just lukewarm. So they're not, it's cold, they're still a little bit warm, but they're not like scalding hot like a lot of people do them. So again, just aim for lukewarm. It should be between about cold and hot, just a little bit hot, you guys. It shouldn't be super hot. There shouldn't be massive amount of steam coming out of the shower. Fourth tip, use facial cleansing creams that hydrate your skin, you guys. I will put a couple of products in the description box if you guys want to try out different creams for your face. All of them will work, and again, all the products that I recommend do have extremely positive reviews and they do work. I will never recommend anything on my channel ever that does not have good reviews from other people. So the fifth tip is exercise daily. Exercising increases blood flow, which will carry away waste products from the skin. So if you guys are not exercising daily, then I highly recommend doing so. And the easiest and best way to do so, if you're a guy, is simply playing sports. Playing pickup games of basketball, floor hockey, tennis, badminton, squash, soccer, anything that requires you to move for basically the whole game, that is going to keep you sweating. You play basketball for an hour, you play squash for an hour, you play tennis, handball, floor hockey, soccer. You play any of those for an hour, you're going to be sweating, and that will keep you active. And you can switch up the sports you play. Maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you play pickup game of basketball with your buddies. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you play soccer or some floor hockey. Either way, it's going to make you guys work. You're going to be sweating, and you will notice that your skin will be a lot better, you guys. Last tip is going to just be stay hydrated. Drinking enough water will improve your skin, you guys. Trust me on this. I used to never drink enough water. Now I track how much water I drink per day. My skin has progressively just gotten so much better. It's way smoother. Even my fiance said, wow, your skin looks like it's glowing, you guys. So hydration, very important. Our bodies are made up of mainly water. So if you're not drinking enough water, your body's not going to be doing enough of the main functions that it needs to survive. So make sure you're hydrated, you guys. End the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Peace out.